Doing more with less. Efficient use of resources in professional service firms. Professions considered part of service organizations include accountants, social workers, attorneys, human resources specialists, substance abuse counselors, hairstylists, wedding planners, civil engineers, client service administrators, and healthcare professionals like nurses, therapists, and physicians. Essentially, any role where the primary function is providing a service to clients or customers. Introduction in the professional services industry, where client satisfaction, integrity, and efficient resource use are critical. Effective resource management can differentiate between sustained growth and operational challenges. By strategically managing resources, firms can enhance productivity, reduce costs, and uphold the highest accountability and service excellence standards. This artificial intelligence-based video offers 10 actionable insights and 5 additional suggestions for each insight, helping professional service firms achieve efficient resource utilization and foster a culture of integrity, responsibility, and client-centered outcomes. Objectives of efficient resource management. Enhance operational efficiency. Streamline processes to reduce redundancies and maximize resource use. Optimize financial health. Implement budget controls to improve the firm's financial stability. Ensure client satisfaction. Deliver services efficiently to meet client expectations without compromising quality. Promote accountability and integrity. Develop transparent systems to reinforce responsible resource management. Expected outcomes. Improved productivity and minimized overhead. Higher levels of client trust and service satisfaction. A firm-wide culture of accountability and integrity. Enhanced flexibility to adapt to market changes while maintaining service standards. Critical insights for efficient resource management. These are the 10 critical insights we will discuss. Each insight has 5 suggestions for your consideration. 1. Conducting regular resource audits. An essential first step in optimizing resources is understanding their current usage. 2. Capacity planning for workforce optimization. Strategic staffing is essential to deliver consistent quality in client services. 3. Lean practices for operational efficiency. Applying lean principles to processes reduces waste and ensures quality. 4. Financial management and budget controls. Effective financial management ensures sustainability and enables strategic growth. 5. Fostering a resource-conscious culture. Encouraging responsible resource use promotes firm-wide accountability. 6. Involving stakeholders in resource planning. Collaboration with stakeholders ensures that resources are allocated effectively. 7. Enhancing performance with technology. Using advanced technology and tools improves resource utilization and service delivery. 8. Aligning resource management with strategic goals. Aligning resources with the firm's strategic goals enhances the overall impact. 9. Monitoring client impact and satisfaction. Client feedback is a valuable tool in measuring the effectiveness of resource utilization. 10. Building a sustainable future through resource management. Effective resource management is crucial for long-term sustainability. 1. Conducting regular resource audits. An essential first step in optimizing resources is understanding their current usage. Audit existing resources. Regularly audits human, financial, and technological resources to comprehensively view current usage. Identify opportunities for improvement. Pinpoint areas where resources are underutilized or excessive, enabling reallocation where needed. Align resources with firm goals. Ensure resource allocation aligns with strategic goals to prevent misallocation. Establish a regular audit schedule. Plan periodic audits to align resources with changing client needs and project demands. Assign accountability for audits. Designate responsible teams to ensure audit findings are acted upon with transparency. 2. Capacity planning for workforce optimization. Strategic staffing is essential to deliver consistent quality in client services. Forecast based on demand. Utilize data to anticipate client needs and adjust staffing levels accordingly. Enhance team flexibility with cross-training. Equip staff with diverse skills to adapt to changing demands and workload variations. Implement workforce planning tools. Use forecasting tools to align staffing levels with project timelines and client requirements. Balance workload to prevent burnout. Distribute work evenly across teams to maintain productivity and avoid fatigue. Monitor staffing expenditures. Regularly review staffing costs to ensure they are aligned with the budget and client billing structures. 3. Lean practices for operational efficiency. Applying lean principles to processes reduces waste and ensures quality. Streamline workflows. Evaluate processes to eliminate redundancies, increasing overall efficiency and service delivery speed. Standardized procedures. Develop consistent operating procedures to ensure uniform service quality across projects. Embrace automation for routine tasks. Automate repetitive tasks with digital solutions, reducing manual errors and freeing time. Promote a culture of continuous improvement. Encourage employees to suggest improvements to enhance operational efficiency. Optimize vendor relationships. Strengthen relationships with suppliers to negotiate cost-effective rates for essential resources. 4. Financial management and budget controls. Effective financial management ensures sustainability and enables strategic growth. Set financial benchmarks to track performance. Define clear KPIs such as project profitability, budget adherence, and cost per client. Use real-time financial monitoring tools. Implement financial tracking systems for transparent and accountable financial management. Minimize administrative overhead. Cut down on non-essential expenses to channel resources toward client-focused activities. Evaluate project profitability regularly. Assess the cost-effectiveness of services and projects to optimize financial outcomes. Reserve budget for growth initiatives. Allocate a portion of the budget for professional development and market expansion, supporting long-term growth. 5. Fostering a resource-conscious culture. Encouraging responsible resource use promotes firm-wide accountability. Encourage responsible resource use. Cultivate a culture where every team member is conscious of resource efficiency. Recognize resource-efficient behavior. Acknowledge and reward employees who demonstrate effective resource management. Implement environmentally friendly practices. Promote sustainability by reducing energy consumption and waste. Set departmental efficiency targets. Align each department's resource targets with firm-wide objectives for consistency. Provide financial literacy training. Educate employees on the importance of resource efficiency to support financial health. 6. Involving stakeholders in resource planning. Collaboration with stakeholders ensures that resources are allocated effectively. Engage stakeholders in feedback collection. Involve clients, partners, and employees in assessing resource efficiency and gathering insights. Clarify client expectations. Set clear expectations with clients on resource allocation and usage to build transparency and trust. Demonstrate efficiency's value to clients. Illustrate how efficient resource use benefits clients through cost savings and streamlined service. Build strong vendor partnerships. Work closely with vendors to secure high-quality resources at reasonable costs. Incorporate feedback in resource planning. Use stakeholder feedback to refine resource management and service delivery. 7. Enhancing performance with technology. Using advanced technology and tools improves resource utilization and service delivery. Implement performance tracking software. Use tracking tools to monitor team performance and identify areas for efficiency gains. Leverage time tracking tools. Use time tracking software to assess productivity and optimize time spent on client projects. Adopt client relationship management (CRM) tools. Streamline client interactions and track project details efficiently with CRM solutions. Automate routine processes. Automate administrative tasks to reduce manual workload and improve productivity. Utilize data analytics for decision-making. Leverage analytics to inform resource allocation and optimize service delivery strategies. 8. Aligning resource management with strategic goals. Aligning resources with the firm's strategic goals enhances the overall impact. Review resource allocation regularly. Evaluate resources used periodically to ensure alignment with firm objectives. Align department goals with strategic vision. Ensure each department's resources contribute to the larger mission and strategic goals. Use metrics to track goal alignment. Define metrics that gauge the effectiveness of resources in achieving strategic goals. Promote accountability through transparency. To encourage accountability, share resource management goals with staff. Adjust resource allocation as needed. Be flexible with resource allocation to respond to new projects and changing client needs. 9. Monitoring client impact and satisfaction. Client feedback is a valuable tool in measuring the effectiveness of resource utilization. Gather client feedback regularly. Conduct surveys and gather feedback to assess how resources impact client satisfaction. Monitor client satisfaction metrics. Track metrics related to client satisfaction, retention rates, and project outcomes. Focus on long-term client impact. Evaluate how resource use contributes to long-term client success and service quality. Compare impact across projects. Analyze the impact of resource use on different projects to identify best practices. Share success stories with clients. Use client success stories to illustrate the value of efficient resource utilization. 10. Building a sustainable future through resource management. Effective resource management is crucial for long-term sustainability. Develop long-term resource plans. Create comprehensive plans for resource allocation that account for future growth. Implement continuous improvement cycles. Regularly evaluate and improve processes to align resource use with best practices. Benchmark against industry standards. To drive continuous growth, measure your firm's efficiency against industry benchmarks. Celebrate efficiency milestones. Recognize and celebrate achievements in resource management to motivate employees. Embed sustainability in all initiatives. Make sustainability a core part of resource management to ensure long-term effectiveness. Conclusion: efficient resource management is essential for professional service firms to maintain competitive advantage and deliver exceptional client service. By following these 10 insights, firms can strategically allocate resources, enhance client satisfaction, and foster a culture of responsibility and accountability. Embracing a structured, sustainable approach to resource utilization supports short-term productivity and contributes to the organization's long-term growth, integrity, and success. You are encouraged to do the self-assessment by attempting the 10 MCQs. Please access YouTube and look for Basheer Juma MCQs. These are 10 questions with 4 options. At the end, there is an answer sheet. After that, a follow-up session and group discussion for the efficient use of resources in the respective organizations is expected to be impactful.